Group discussions have always been an important part in the recruitment process or getting admission in good institutes or universities. Now, the question is why these are conducted? Well, these are conducted to analyze the interactive skills of the candidates, how they behave, participate, or contribute in a group. It evaluates the communication skills, confidence, and leadership skills of the candidates. Above all, it matters who initiates the discussion and how it is initiated. Therefore, there are few ways with which you can start the discussion. Number 1. Quote. By stating quote, which should be relevant with the topic, you can easily start the discussion. For example, if the topic is goal setting, you can start by saying, it is perfectly quoted by Stephen Covey. Begin with the end in mind. Second way can be by just defining the topic. So, if the topic is goal setting, just define the topic, explain the topic, and start the discussion. Another good way can be by asking question. For example, why goal setting is so important? Can't we achieve our dreams without framing it into proper goals? So, this is also a good way to start the discussion. Stating facts, figures can also be an impactful method to initiate the discussion. For example, according to Harvard Business Studies, 14% of the people who have set their goals are 10 times more successful than the people who don't have their goals. So these are the few ways with which you can start the discussion, and it will help you to create first impression on others.